Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows cannot connect to printer solved. Type regedit in printer physically connected system, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click print. Right-click New DWord 32-bit value. Type RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled, change value data to 0, click OK. Type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Restart Print Spooler service. Now you can try to connect printer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.